Hello dear students, in today's class I will discuss with you about the concept of latitudes and longitude. To learn more about latitudes and longitudes, let's have a close look on a globe. This is a globe. We notice that Earth is covered by many horizontal lines and vertical lines. Many horizontal lines and many vertical lines. These all lines are called imaginary lines. The imaginary lines running from east to west. The imaginary lines running from east to west are known as parallel to latitudes, parallels of latitudes. The imaginary lines running from north to south. The imaginary lines running from north to south are known as meridians of longitude. Let us discuss about latitudes. Latitude is measured in degrees. Latitudes are measured in degrees. They circle the earth from the east to west direction. The distance between the latitude is always the same. The distance between the latitude is always the same as they are parallel of the latitudes. The circumference of the earth is larger at equator. Circumference of the earth is larger at equator. As we move towards the pole, it decreases. Circumference at equator is larger, and when we move towards the poles, it starts decreases. So the latitudes when they go towards the poles, it becomes a point. They are 180 degree latitude. The latitude that divides the earth into two halves is called equator. The latitude that divides the earth into two equal halves, that is called equator. Equator is 0 degree. Its value is 0 degree. It is an imaginary line on the globe also that divides the earth into two equal halves, means into two equal parts. That line is known as equator. The northern half of the earth is known as northern hemisphere, and the southern half is known as southern hemisphere. It follows the latitude towards the N, that is North Pole. It is 90 degree latitude, and it follows latitude towards the south, that is South Pole. It is also 90 degree. Apart from the equator, we have other latitudes also. Okay, number one is Tropic of Cancer. Number 2 is Tropic of Capricorn. Number 3 is Arctic Circle. Number 4 is Antarctic Circle. Apart from the equator, we have other latitudes. One is Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Arctic Circle, Antarctic Circle. Now we will discuss about longitudes. Longitudes are measured in degrees. The line which passes from North Pole to South Pole are also joins at the poles. The line that passes from North Pole to South Pole are also joins at the poles, and it is called meridians. It is called meridians of the longitudes. The distance between the longitudes at equator is large. As we know, the shape of our earth is spherical. The shape of our earth is spherical. As we move towards the poles, the distance between the longitudes is small. Distance between the longitudes is small. When we can move towards the poles, the distance between the longitudes become small. And the line of meridian passes through the Greenwich in London is called prime meridian. This line is called prime meridian. Prime meridian divides the earth into two hemispheres, same as equator. As equator divides the earth into two parts, one is northern hemisphere, second one is southern hemisphere. In longitudes, prime meridian divides the earth into two hemispheres, one is eastern and other one is western hemisphere. From prime meridian we have 180 degree longitude falling by east, which stands for east, and 180 degree longitude which follows by W, which stands for west. Both east and west longitudes fall on the same line. Both east and west longitude falls on the same line. The prime meridian divides the earth into two halves. One is eastern hemisphere, other one is western hemisphere. If we know the longitude and latitude of a place, we can easily calculate the time. We know that earth takes 20 hours to rotate, or earth takes 24 hours to rotate, and it or 1440 minutes to complete one rotation. That means to rotate 1 degree, it takes 4 minutes. To each longitude is located at 1 degree. As if we know the longitude and latitudes, it is easy to calculate the time. If we know the longitude and latitude, it is easy to calculate the time of that particular place. That is all about latitudes and longitudes.